Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this really simple, really simple look. I just used two shadows and liquid lipstick as the liner. I hope you guys like it. Please rate, subscribe, comment down below. All the information is gonna be in the description box, everything that I use. Yeah. So let's get started. I did prime, I used and moisturized. I used my Nivea and my Aloe Vera gel as primer and moisturizer. I like mixing them together because it leaves like a sticky residue on your face, and we want that. We want something sticky on your face so your foundation can stick. So I'm using the Wet n Wild and the Rimmel London foundation. I like combining these two because one is more drier than the other. Everything that I'm using is gonna be listed down below, so you can check that out. So here I'm just dabbing it in with my damped Real Technique sponge. You want to make sure everything is nice and blended in. I do apologize. This video is all over the place. So yeah, I'm doing my brows with the Anastasia. What is it? It's the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. Right here, I'm just cleaning up. I like using the same foundation. I used to like using concealer to clean them up, but I don't like that anymore because it leaves like a white line and a white line on top also. So I'm not into that anymore. So I like using the foundation. It's better, in my opinion. So I'm gonna be setting my face, the rest of my face with my BEN NYE Banana Powder and the Real Techniques Sponge Damped. I like the way it sets with the damped sponge instead of dry. I feel like it melts into your skin when you're using a damped sponge. I'm just gonna be going in with the flat brush, with the flat top brush, just to push the rest of the powder into your skin. Make sure you push it in and not swipe it. Just push the powder in so you won't disturb your foundation. I'm going in with the Fit Me Concealer as primer for my lids. Okay, for this look, I'm going to be using the Tarteist Pro palette. I'm going in with Classic to set the lids. We're going in with the first transition color with Innocent. I'm using a fluffy brush and just do wiper motions, windshield wiper motions. I'm going in with Whimsy in the crease. I'm just going in with the first brush that we used just to blend that harsh line out. And I apologize, I'm not so good at doing voiceovers. I'm still learning, and I know my freaking hand is in the way. I apologize of that also. Here I'm just going in with the clean brush. Well, it's the brush that I used to set the lids in. I'm just using that to blend everything out to make it look nice and seamless. So I'm going to be using liquid lipstick as liner. I did go in first with the Milani liquid lipstick, but it was too light for my tasting. So I decided to go in with the Too Faced in the shade Sellout. It's a little bit darker. For the brow bone, I'm going to be going in with Nectar from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. And then once again with the first brush that I used, going in and blending everything out so there won't be no harsh lines. I'm going in with the Mario Badescue facial spray just to set everything so everything can be melted into your skin and not looking all powdery. I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia contour kit just to bronze up the face because I'm looking like Casper right now, and that's not the look I am going for. I suck at explaining things honestly, so hopefully by you guys watching this, you will learn something. I don't know. I like using a fluffy brush to warm up the face. Sorry, I didn't mention that before. cleaning up that harsh line with the banana powder that comes in the Anastasia kit. I'm just going in with my flat top brush just to set everything in place. I'm pushing in the product. I'm just going in with the fluffy brush just to blend everything out. I'm going in with the badescue water once again. And I'm going to be using the highlighter from Milani in the shade Fantastic in Gold. I'm going to be applying the highlighter in the cheekbones, the cupid's bow, and on the tip of the nose as well. I'm going in with the damp sponge once again just to set everything and the highlighter can melt into your face. I'm going to be going in with the Milani blush in Romantic Rose. I'm going to be focusing that in the apples of my cheeks. I forgot to mention that I did set my eyebrows with the Soap & Glory eyebrow gel, and I did go under my lower lash line with Innocent and Whimsy. I totally forgot to record when I did my eyelashes. They're from Eyelure. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that, but I will put everything in the description box. And thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.